Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best microdermabrasion devices that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Neutrogena Microdermabrasion Starter Kit. The Neutrogena Microdermabrasion Starter Kit serves as a great option for beginners, rookies who are just trying out exfoliation. It is designed to provide the user with ease of use and you don't have to be an expert to use it effectively. It features a microdermabrasion applicator that employs the use of microvibrations to restore clean, even-toned skin. Also, the 12 rejuvenation single-use puffs are very efficient. These puffs contain ultra-fine crystals and mild purifiers that help to exfoliate the skin gently, without hurting you. The effectiveness of this machine is in no doubt. Dermatologists have conducted clinical studies and found out that nearly 95% of users experience instant solutions. It won't take long before you begin to see improvement in your skin tone, and all wrinkles would disappear after a month of using it. At number 4. Kelley West Microderm 360 Microdermabrasion Kit. If you want a microdermabrasion kit that is equipped with different surfaces to suit the different exfoliation requirements of the different parts of the body, then you should go for the Kelley West Microderm 360 Microdermabrasion Kit. This kit is built to such a high standard that makes it not only suitable for personal use but also ideal for spa use. It has a fine surface tip that you can use for your face. Apart from this, the kit also includes a coarse surface tip that works for other parts of the body. Additionally, this device is quite portable and easy to use. It features a swivel neck that glides easily round the body for perfect exfoliation. Without overstating any fact, this microdermabrasion kit is certainly one to have as it promises efficient service coupled with durability. Hence, it is worth taking a punt on. At number 3. Microderm Glow Diamond Microdermabrasion Kit. If you really want to look younger, investing on a quality microdermabrasion device would be a wise move. In this regard, one highly recommended microdermabrasion kit is the Microderm Glow Diamond Microdermabrasion Machine. The strong reputation of this device stems from its clinically proven results. With the device, it won't take long before your skin to revert to what it was in younger days. All you have to do is to use it once a week. Its 3D suction technology is extremely effective. Moreover, it is easy and safe to use. It is gentle on the skin and you don't have to fear any potential injury. And, irrespective of your skin type, this device will still work satisfactorily for you. There is no doubting the high-quality service of the Microderm Glow Diamond. It is a device that you will enjoy if you chose to buy it. At number 2. Trophy Skin MicrodermMD At-Home Microdermabrasion Machine. The Trophy Skin MicrodermMD At-Home Microdermabrasion Machine is another excellent microdermabrasion kit that you should check out. It is specifically designed to ameliorate wrinkles and slow down the effects of aging. With this machine, you can be sure that those wrinkles and spots on your skin will go away quickly. An important attribute of this device is that it is suitable for all types of skin. It doesn't matter whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, this device will still work perfectly for you. You can also use the device if have sensitive skin, thanks to its sensitive mode that enables it to carry out the exfoliation gently without irritating the skin. Apart from the sensitive mode, there is an auto mode, and there are instructions clearly displayed for each mode. As a result, the device is very easy to use. Besides, it is dermatologist tested and approved, which goes a long way in confirming its efficacy and health friendliness. Finally at number 1. PMD Personal Microderm Classic. PMD Personal Microderm. PMD helps women uncover their most vibrant, radiant complexion through an easy series of treatments. Looking good feels great, and PMD loves showing women the way to fresh, supple skin. PMD Personal Microderm replicates the treatment given by professionals by using the same aluminum oxide crystals on the patented spinning discs. The handheld tool uses vacuum action to gently pull skin towards the disc for optimum exfoliation. Once it removes the dead skin cells and reveals a clear, healthy complexion, your skin is able to absorb products much more effectively. The system includes several levels of exfoliating discs for a custom and controlled intensity. With this tool, women of all skin types are able to rejuvenate their skin and build brilliant confidence. The PMD Personal Microderm tool unclogs pores, smooths out skin, evens tone, reduces blemishes and improves the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. One personal microderm tool and electric power cord. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.